I think there are a number of key concerns, but probably primary amongst all of them is the drive towards real time and how banks and financial institutions can generate revenue from real time. So whilst the regulator and the consumer are demanding this kind of service, the banks need to be able to innovate in a way that protects their revenue streams and grows their revenue streams. And this is one of the challenges that the market faces at the moment.
From the point of view of our clients, the major things are all around mobile and the customer. So what's coming next? Everyone can see everyone thinks to know where things will be in 10, 20 years time, but no one's quite sure how we get from where we are now to that point. And seeing how that's going to evolve is a big challenge for all of our clients, and obviously a very big theme for the conference too.
I think there is quite a lot of change coming in the futures and in regulations, in the technology also to make payments. It's quite moving fast, and I believe that people coming here, they are wondering what will come in the futures and what they will have to do to face this big move. So I believe this is the main interest here. Then they hope to get answers.
There are obviously a number of those. First of all, I think as the recession starts to ease off a bit, then there clearly is an upside for many banks to actually understand what they should be doing to engage with their clients and offer new things to take to market. So there's a few green shoots, I think. That's number one. But obviously, a lot of the topics here are about risk and regulation and the regulatory pressures that are still there and overhanging the industry. There's clearly a lot of issues around mobile and what to do about mobile and the opportunities that exist around mobile as a channel. Thirdly, I think it's about some innovation in payments, clearing and settlement, faster payments, those sort of things, which make some big changes in how to exploit those.
I think we see a number of different trends. Some are regulatory driven, such as SEPA, credit transfer and direct debit end dates. We see consolidation of corporate treasuries, taking their country-specific operations into regional and global hubs. And we also see migration from message standards from, sorry to get technical, but things like ISO 8583 in cards and point of sale into ISO 20022 formats, and the same for legacy clearing standards for domestic clearing.
Of course, a lot of changes are happening in payments, and it will keep on changing for next couple of years as well. Be it driven by regulatory pressures right now, or driven by, let's say, the mobile things coming up, right? The traffic will be huge and humongous, so it's no more restricting to find a scalable solution. You have to have an ultra scalable solution. That's how the industry is going. So if you have a seamless platform for your entire payments ecosystem, that is going to benefit all the banks and financial institutes.
I think everybody will talk to you about regulation, but more and more we're seeing people now talk about transparency in international payments and boosting the corporate and consumer experience in international payments.
One of the main concerns as far as TED is concerned is the SEPA migration, definitely. It's one of the biggest challenges that the European banks are going to face in Europe. And this place for us is the perfect place to seek for solution and a new solution in SEPA migration.